ZOBER Premium Heavy Duty Ornament Box.
Okay, so I just ordered this ornament organizer and now I'm gonna attempt to put it together. I've got a bunch of ornaments which I have not counted. So let's see if I can get it all to fit. Okay, here it is when it's all filled up. You just put these protectors on top, which gives it another layer of protection, and then you put the top on. It was very easy to put together, and it has an area where you can put a label, so you can like put Christmas ornaments, and it has handles on both sides. The one thing I was afraid of when I purchased this, that it wouldn't be sturdy enough, but it seems pretty sturdy. I would not be afraid to put this in the closet and put another storage box on top because it seems pretty sturdy. I do recommend this one.